This is the activation of self-folding origami in microgravity environment, or AoSOME, test apparatus. A test apparatus that will test the self-folding dynamics of shape memory polymers, SMPs, in a microgravity environment. Our experiment will test the folding action of a SMP sample during a microgravity event. Because we are only given 15 to 30 seconds of a microgravity event, we will preheat the samples so the samples are near its glassy transition temperature. Once in a microgravity event, a IR LED light will turn on, inducing folding. A camera will capture the folding action. Two e-stops exist on top of AoSOME to turn the computer control and heating system on and off. For safety, soft tubes will be used to blunt sharp edges around AoSOME. Before installing AoSOME, all e-stops must be in the off position. It has 4 handles to grab onto for lifting and transportation. Its frame is made out of 80/20 1-inch T-slot, and its surrounding shell and inner shell is made out of 60/61 aluminum sheets. The computer control box will control the motors, LED lights, cooling fans, and the cameras that will capture the SME folding action while in a microgravity event. It is removable for software debugging and transportation. Switches located on the other side will turn the components on and off, and fuses will prevent overamp use in the system. The system also comes with LED pilot lights that will turn on to indicate a specific component being turned on. We will slide the computer box underneath AoSOME on its rails. We will then make the connections from AoSOME to the computer box. Then we will screw on the computer box onto the bottom rails of AoSOME. Power will be fed through this connection. Sample carousel will house different polymer samples to be tested during microgravity events. A NEMA motor will turn the sample to the correct position during each microgravity event. An IR LED light will be shown on the polymer samples to induce folding. A camera will capture the folding. The motor has a M12 fast connect The light has a plug-and-play connection, and the IR LED light has a magnetic DC connection. These connections will be made to the apparatus once installed. We have 3 carousels. Each carousel will have its own separate motor, camera, and IR LED light. We have multiple carousels for redundancy. AoSOME's heating system is controlled by a PID controller and solid-state relay. Heating the system is a counter off-the-shelf heating element, and an oven fan will be used to circulate heated air throughout the apparatus. Each carousel is installed into AoSOME by sliding them onto their respective rails, screwing on the screws that tighten the carousel holders to the rails, making the correct connections, and adding the ducts to the specific holes for cooling of the IR LED lights. Connections will be made to control all the systems on AoSOME. Two latches will latch the door onto place once all carousels are installed. Connections for both electrical systems are 2 NEMA 520p connectors.